Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 2 problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first, open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Roblox. Tap on Roblox, tap on force stop, then OK, tap on storage. Now clear cache or clear data, tap on delete. Now second step, restart your device. Now tap on restart. After restart your device, now open your Play Store app. Now tap on Play Store and update Roblox. Search Roblox. Finally tap on update. After the Roblox apps are updated, now open Roblox. Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.